So let me know what you think in the comment below, folks. About Nissan, Chinese automaker Chery has taken over a Nissan factory in South Africa. So Chery plans to use that plant to build SUVs under brands like Jito, Jaeku, and Chery. So the company also plans to use some local suppliers, eventually use the factory as an export hub. This is another sign that Chinese automakers are not just exporting cars anymore. They are buying factories, they are building locally, and they are expanding their footprint around the world. My take is, this is how Chinese brands become serious global players. First, they export, then open showrooms, then they build locally, then they control supply chains. This is exactly how you go from an outsider to major competitor. Traditional automakers should be paying close attention to this. Chinese automakers are not playing. The car industry is changing faster than many brands expected. Kia shows us that recalls still matter, even on popular family SUVs. German brands show us that old reputation is not enough anymore. China shows us that even when the home market slows down, exports can become a weapon. The US government shows us that vehicles data is now part of national security. Nissan shows us that brand image matters. And Chery shows us that Chinese automakers are building global power. Ferrari shows us that luxury brands cannot forget emotion. And Volkswagen shows us that even giant automakers can be forced to change as needed. My honest advice is, do not buy the hype. The brand name sounds strong. A real question is it safe? Is it reliable? Can I afford it? Can I repair it? Is the technology useful? And does the vehicle make sense for my real life use? Because the best car is not always the newest car. The best car is the car that can serve you without becoming a headache. And this is it, folks, for this week's Berdy Automotive update. Don't just watch the news. Don't just follow the news. Understand it. That's how you stay ahead. I'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and share it to someone you know that want to stay informed. My name is Berdy, folks. Until next time. Bye-bye.